Having fun?
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Rick. Welcome back to Life in the North 40.
On today's episode, as you can see, it's a winter wonderland out here. So we're going to show you how we do our snow removal for our homestead.
Today you get to see us snow plowing with our Polaris Ranger and 6-foot snowplow.
And of course you can count on our dogs for being funny.
Murph and Sarge are going to crack you up. Subscribe to our channel, Life in the North 40. Let's go!
What are you doing? Having nervous diarrhea, Sarge? He gets so nervous around high noise machines.
We plow with a Polaris Ranger, and the blade is also from Polaris.
And
I'm just loosening this real quick. Then this is the tensioner, the trip spring. When you catch the blade at the bottom, it'll flip forward, and this will stretch so you don't break your blade. But what I'm doing is I'm loosening the tension on it because this side's a little too high, even with the skid shoes on the ground, so you don't scalp the gravel off the road.
Murph, are you excited? Murph, how excited are you?
Murph, sits. I know. Are you ready to go? Sit, stay. We're gonna pull out so we can shut the garage door and retain the heat. This remote runs the winch in and out. So right now it's up so I can get out. So we're gonna push it out a little bit. Now we're gonna go the opposite way and really hit it. Uphill's harder though.
good boy. So we went down to the highway and back up, which is a mile from our house. This guy just ran a mile. Here's Portland.